What's good, foodies? Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and as you know from the title, we're still trying to be frugal. It is day 3 of our extreme budgeting challenge, and it is also
Taco Tuesday! Let's go!
If you just so happen to be new here, I'm attempting to feed my family of 4 for under $50 a week. Yep, 7 days, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and drinks. Before we get into this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see if we were able to stay under our budget.
If you guys did not get a chance to see my weekly meal planner, I do plan my meals out before I go into the grocery store. We were able to stretch that Sunday meal out for 2 days for dinner, and that only cost us $83. And although this cost right here is only for the dinner, it makes me super excited about this day and the days to come, because dinner, $9.83 for 4 people for 2 days? Like, what?
Like I told y'all in my last video, use whatever you have in your pantry already. I wanted to use things that were hearty and filling, so it will fill us up and last a long time. So I do want to note that the rice and beans were already stored in my pantry, so they're not included in this budget. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end of this video. This was very fun to make, and I think this is one of my more expensive meals. If you guys want to see how I save money on groceries using inbox dollars, make sure you guys check out the link in the description box below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and stay tuned to our journey on extreme budgeting.
What? You and me will always be tight. You know I love you every single day and night. Even when we start to trip and lose our cool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. Courtney, love, you my only one. Money, gonna always keep it fun. Baby girl, you know it's clear to see that you know that I know I love our family. Family. The Easley family will make you sad. That family's here to stay. Family, Easley family will take your love. Cause we just some love thugs. Family, Easley family. Yo!
That's a remix.